Mat matchup. Manduka Pro versus Yoga Design Lab. Which one will take your yoga practice to the next level? When it comes to yoga mats, there are endless options available in the market. Two of the most popular brands are Manduka and Yoga Design Lab. Manduka is known for its high quality and durable yoga mats, while Yoga Design Lab is known for its unique and stylish designs. In this blog post, we'll compare the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat with the Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat to help you decide which one is the best for your yoga practice. Manduka Pro Yoga Mat. The Manduka Pro Yoga Mat is one of the most popular yoga mats on the market. It's made from a dense and thick material that provides excellent cushioning and support. The mat is 6 mm thick and measures 71 by 26 inches, providing ample space for your yoga practice. Here are the pros and cons of the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat. Pros. 1. Durable. The Manduka Pro Yoga Mat is made from high-quality materials that are built to last. 1. It comes with a lifetime guarantee, so you can be sure that you're making a long-term investment in your yoga practice. 2. Non-slip. The mat's surface is designed to provide excellent grip, so you won't slip or slide during your practice. 3. Comfortable. The thick and dense material provides excellent cushioning, making it comfortable to practice even on hard surfaces. Cons. 1. Heavy. The Manduka Pro Yoga Mat is quite heavy, making it difficult to carry around. 2. Expensive. The mat is one of the more expensive options on the market, so it might not be suitable for everyone's budget. Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat. The Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat is a unique and stylish yoga mat that combines a towel and mat into one. It's made from a microfiber top layer and a natural rubber base layer. The mat is 3.5 mm thick and measures 70 by 24 inches, making it slightly smaller than the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat. Here are the pros and cons of the Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat. Pros. 1. Stylish. The Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat comes in a variety of unique and stylish designs that are sure to make a statement in your yoga class. 2. Lightweight. The mat is lightweight and easy to carry around, making it perfect for those who travel or attend yoga classes outside of their home. 3. Eco-friendly. The mat is made from natural rubber and microfiber, making it a more sustainable and eco-friendly option than other yoga mats. Cons. 1. Less durable. The microfiber top layer may not be as durable as other materials, and the mat may need to be replaced more frequently. 2. Slippery. The mat's surface can be slippery when wet, making it challenging to practice in hot yoga or sweaty classes. Comparison. When comparing the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat with the Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat, there are a few key differences to consider. The Manduka Pro Yoga Mat is thicker and more durable than the Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat, making it a better option for those who practice yoga frequently or on hard surfaces. However, it's also heavier and more expensive. The Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat is a more affordable and lightweight option, making it ideal for those who travel or attend yoga classes outside of their home. It's also eco-friendly and comes in a variety of unique designs. However, it's less durable than the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat and can be slippery in hot yoga or sweaty classes. After comparing the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat and the Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat, it's clear that both products have their strengths and weaknesses. The Manduka Pro is a durable and long-lasting mat with a lifetime guarantee, while the Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat offers a unique and beautiful design with a microfiber top layer for added grip. Ultimately, the decision between these two mats comes down to personal preference and intended use. If you prioritize durability and thickness, the Manduka Pro may be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you value aesthetics and a mat that's easy to transport, the Yoga Design Lab Combo Mat may be the better option. Regardless of which mat you choose, investing in a high-quality yoga mat can greatly improve your practice and overall experience. So whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting out, it's important to find a mat that suits your needs and helps you reach your goals. Thanks for watching. Learn more at spiritualserenade89.com. Click the link in the description.